Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. So I am back with my FabFitFun Spring 2026 unboxing. It's a big box. I had quite a bit of add-ons, but I'll explain why. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so if you watched my spoiler video, I do a whole spoiler video on FabFitFun. I talk about it. So I'm not going to get into all the nitty-gritty about about FabFitFun. You can kind of go to that video. You can post it up here. I talk about the spoilers and I go over them when they're released, what I think, what I want to get, what I think I'm going to get, and then there's always some throwbacks. And throwbacks kind of throw things up in the air, and this one it did, and I'll explain why. But yeah, I am an annual subscriber. I'm not a partner. I pay for it myself. And you know, I paid upfront, you know, for a year, and I really love it. I love it. And I was very excited about this particular season. I thought it was really good. Some people weren't, and that's okay too, you know. And the good thing about FabFitFun is you can skip it. Before we do get started, I do want to mention I do have a few, I think 3 sample boxes or starter boxes left. You do have to pay for shipping. If you're interested in them, just email me or message me on Instagram. You can email me through my website, shannonford.com. You can message me there. I just need your full name and your email, and I will send you the invite link. I don't get anything from it. You have to, you pay through FabFitFun, but I get like 5 every quarter, and you know, happy to give them to anybody that watches. So let's go ahead and start with customization number 1. So here were my choices. The Luxe choice for $39 extra was the Heaven Mayhem, the Amara Watch in Gold, $280. Living Proof PhD shampoo and conditioner bundle, $72. The Khen set of 4 tonal stemless wine glasses, $40. Drunk Elephant Lala Retro whipped cream rescue cream, $66. Drunk Elephant, the Hydrabright C-Luma vitamin C serum, $68. Drunk Elephant B-Hydra intensive hydration serum, $54. Drunk Elephant Ceramighty AF eye balm, $62. Years of Ours backpack in yellow or taupe, $85. Years of Ours oversized crew, $85. Or their joggers, $85. The Costa Nova set of 4 appetizer plates pearl collection, $62. Or the Summer and Rose ceramic planter set of 2, $39. This one I got exactly what I thought, which was the backpack. And it is, now I wouldn't pay $85 for this. However, I do really like it. I wanted the joggers, but I didn't want to do like 2 sets, so I just decided not to get them. But yeah, I really like this. So first of all, I love backpacks because I tend to do backpacks because that way I'm not lopsided, because I tend to, you know, do that. So I ended up doing a lot of backpacks. But I really like this one. One, it's very neutral, so I got the taupe, obviously, but also it is like water resistant. So it's water resistant. So I am very excited about this for our upcoming cruise because it's gonna go with everything. It's small, but it's also water resistant. The only thing I don't like is this is a buckle. So this is a buckle. I wish this was a snap, so it would snap, because this you have to like do it like a buckle. So now when you open it, this does, you know, have like a closer here, so you can kind of tighten it. That's the only thing I don't like about it, but so far I really like it. I haven't used it yet, but I am going to use it pretty soon, and I really like this. So I was very, very happy that I got this. I love neutral. I love that it's, you know, water resistant, so it's perfect for like also theme parks. You know, I'm a theme park person, so I'm really excited about this one. So I'm very, very happy. I did not get any add-ons for this choice, but I am very happy with this one. Okay, moving on to customization and number 2. Here were my choices. The Golden Rabbit Prep Bowl set of 2 with lid in Cobalt Swirl or Sea Glass Swirl, $40. Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Talc-Free Setting Powder in Ultra Blur or Tone Up Rose or Translucent Honey, $48. Murad Super Active Moisturizer, $55. Few Moda Thea bag in cream, $89. Coach necklace with heart-shaped pendant in gold or silver, $95. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrop Serum, $36. Summer Fridays Shade Drops Broad Spectrum SPF Mineral Milk Sunscreen, $36. Bela Bangles Windbreaker, $80. Costa's Cloud Set Airy Setting Spray and Smoothing Mist, $36. Or the Wealthy Sweat, $50 supplement. And I got exactly what I thought I was going to get, which was the Coach necklace. So you can see here, I haven't worn it yet, but I am going to. I think it's really cute. Very dainty, goes with my earrings, which are my Ana Luisa that I wear all the time, that I never literally take off. But I really like it. It's got this cute little C, the heart. I really like it. I think it's adorable. Very dainty, very kind of everyday. Very, very happy with this. Now, there was 4 add-ons for this one. The Murad moisturizer, the SPF moisturizer was $55. That was a throwback. The windbreaker in 3 different sizes was also a throwback, and then was added on, and then the Costa setting spray was added on, and then the Wealthy Sweat supplement was added on. So they had 4 add-ons. Now, not all of them were added on when I first went in. Some of them were added on later on, but there were add-ons, so they were not in the spoiler. So always know, go back, because there might be things that are added on that might be something that you're worth. Now, none of those were things that I really wanted, and I ended up getting the necklace that I thought, but they did have quite a few add-ons in that customization. Okay, moving on to customization number 3. My choices were the Luxe Choice, $39 for the Murad Retinol Overnight Resculpt Face and Body Treatment Bundle, $184. Papier Start Fresh Everyday Productivity Planner, $35. Siblings Candle, $75. Living Proof PhD Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo, $33. Living Proof Style Lab Flex Hairspray, $34. Drunk Elephant Debronzy, $39. Drunk Elephant Be Goldie, $39. The Costa Soul Gazer Mascara, $28. Floral Society Gardening Glove Set, $40. Augustinus Bader Bundle of Hydrogel Face Mask and Eye Patch, $57. The Coach Charm Bracelet in Gold or Silver, $125. The digital offer of Bose, $75 off. And then Living Proof Perfect Hair Day High Shine Gloss, $38. And then the Molten Brown Orange and Bergamot Fine Liquid Hand Wash, $34. I got exactly what I thought, which was the Augustinus Bader, the mask and the eye gels. It's just one mask, so I would never pay, what was it, $57 for this, for these 2, but I want to try them out. I use some of the K-Beauty ones, so I wanted to try them out and see how they were. Now, they did add the Living Proof Perfect Day Hair Shine Gloss was an add-on, as was the Molten Brown Liquid Hand Wash. I have the High Shine Gloss, and I almost got it. I almost traded it in, but I was like, you know what? I really want to try this. I have like half of a container left, and I've been using it for a while because I don't use it every time. I use it like every 3 or 4 times I wash my hair. So it takes me a while to get through it. Plus I get so much PR. So I decided not to get that. And I decided to stick with this, but I almost did because that High Shine Gloss is fantastic. But I ended up going with this, and I haven't used it yet, obviously. But I'm excited to use it and see if it's worth $57 or if it's just as good as, if the K-Beauty is just as good. Okay, moving on to customization number 4. My choices were the Kors Greek Yogurt Foaming Cleanser, $32. Archipelago Marble Soap Dish, $40. Voluspa Neroli Sun Bath 10 milliliter Eau de Parfum, $28. Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Treatment in several different shades, $23. Fenty Hair, the Protective Type 5-in-1 Heat Protected Styling Cream, $31. Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Luminous Powder Blush in several colors, $27. Array Not Today Gray Hair Supplement, $45. The Salt and Stone Body Lotion in Santal and Vetiver and Bergamot and Hinoki, $20 each. The Sandra Alexandra bottle stopper set of 2, lemon and chili, $46. Innisfree Cherry Blossom Dewy Glow Jelly Moisturizer, $30, or the Kosas Wet Lip Oil Gloss in 2 different colors, $24. Okay, so this one I got exactly what I thought, which was the Voluspa Neroli Sun Bath. This is the travel size. I love this. It is so good. I just sprayed it and it is so good. I am so happy I got this. It is just, you know, perfume is so subjective, so you never really know. And I didn't want to, there's one that's an add-on. I didn't want to do the add-on. This one, I'm super happy that I got it. I absolutely love it. I could see myself getting a larger bottle for this. Now this one did have, this one had 5 different add-ons or throwbacks. So it had the Rare Beauty blush. So it came in 4 different shades: Hope, Cheer, Joy, and Happy. Those were added on later. Those were from a previous box. The Gray Hair Supplement was added back in. Again, that was from a previous box. The bottle stoppers, also from a previous box, were added. The Innisfree Dewy Glow Jelly Moisturizer I'd never seen before. It probably was a throwback, but I don't remember it. But that was added in. And then the Kosas Wet Lip Oil Gloss in 2 different shades was also added in. So there was definitely a lot of different add-ons for customization number 4. I ended up getting what I thought I was going to get. I'm very happy with it. You know, actually, I absolutely love it. So I have no regrets, but they did add a lot of stuff in. So again, always go back in and check, especially even if you don't necessarily want to change, just, you know, maybe you want to add on a couple things. Okay, for customization number 5, here were my choices. The Skin & Company Divine Nectar Shower Oil, $30. Verb Products Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner, $22. Ilia Beauty Lip Sketch Hydrating Crayon in Genre, $26. Rosy Soil Garden Pruners, $18.99. The Khen Glass Straws set of 4, $20. The Innisfree Super Volcanic AHA Pore Clearing Clay Mask, $18. A Luxe Choice of $29 for the Voluspa Vanilla Visions Eau de Parfum, $90. Then you had 4 different choices for Thesis, a 1-month supply of either energy, motivation, creativity, or logic, $79. The Fenty Skin Plush Pudding Intensive Recovery Lip Mask in Melon, $24. Or the Spongelle Petty Puffer in either Grapefruit Cassis or Bulgarian Rose, $18. Okay, so this is the one where I actually changed because I went back in and I don't even remember what I chose. I think I chose the shower oil was originally what I chose, but I was like, I don't really need this. Then I went back in and that was when they added the Thesis. So the Thesis is like a supplement. They had energy, motivation, creativity, and logic. I have taken the creativity before. I actually have gotten it. It's excellent. I have ADHD, so on days that I don't want to necessarily take my Adderall, I can take that and it does help. This is sold, I think it's $79, and I've seen it on sale like for $40, but still $40 for a month supply. This was like $10 for a month supply because the add-on price was $10. So I ended up getting one. I chose Motivation. I think this is Motivation. Yeah, so I chose Motivation. So I got one Motivation as my selection for my customization. And then I got also another one in Energy. However, I got 6 in Energy and then I got 5 in Motivation because this was such a phenomenal deal. I knew that the supplements, the price was exactly what they were, and you know, probably even the best you could get one was $40, but this stuff works. It really works, and I really love it. And I love that these are the way they are because if you see, they're done in like daily packets. So you have a packet like this, and then it does have caffeine in one of the pills, but you don't have to take it. So there's 3 pills. You can kind of see the white pill is the one with caffeine. So if maybe you're taking it late in the day and you don't want to take the caffeine, you just don't take the caffeine pill. You can save it for later. So sometimes I take the caffeine one. It's not a lot of caffeine. I think it's like 100 milligrams, so it's not a huge amount, but you don't want to take caffeine late in the day. But I'm really, really happy with this. I've already started taking it, and I really like it. So I got the motivation and the energy. They also had creativity and logic. These are sold on Amazon, but I was so excited to see these, and I was really, really happy. These were added in later on, along with the sponge gel, the Betty Puffer, Petty Buffer. But I got these, so I ended up getting 11 added on. So I ended up paying like $110, but like this, you know, it would have taken me it would have cost $440 if I'd gotten it through Amazon. So totally worth it. Very excited, and I will definitely be using these. Okay, last customization, number 6. We have the Vacation Body Mist by Vacation, $24. Rifle Paper Company Wrapped Picture Frame, $24. Sexy Hair Big Attitude Blow Dry Mousse and Weatherproof Frizz Control Bundle, $46. Sexy Hair Big Fun Razor Volumizing Dry Texture Spray with Collagen and Root Pump plus humidity resistant volumizing mousse bundle 2, $47. Ole Hendrickson Banana Bright Vitamin CC Eye Stick in several different colors, $35. Olive and Piper Veil Ring in several different sizes, $48. A digital offer of Orange Theory Fitness 5 classes plus OTC Connect Beat for $99. The Taja Collection Solid Servers, $68. The Laundress Beauty Sleep Laundry Detergent, $26. Fenty Skin Blemish Defeater BHA Spot Targeting Gel, $24. The Colfi Beauty Free the Brow Volumizing Flexible Hold Brow Gel, $26. And the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm, $39. The cleansing balm was added later on. It was actually added like the last day or two. I saw it later on. But I got exactly, and actually that's really great, but I got exactly what I thought, which was the Vitamin C Ole Hendrickson. I had it in banana, which I did go over in my spoiler. So that's the banana, and I wanted it in guava because the banana one wasn't really for me. I'm glad I was like, I'm going to get this because I could use it, and it's not, I use this on days, I don't really like it so much under makeup, but I prefer my Magic Vanish. But on days that I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, I do really like it. So I have like stuff everywhere. So you can kind of see the banana is the yellow and this one is like the peach. Really, really great at hiding dark circles. Again, wearing it, I like wearing this kind of, I put this on first thing in the morning. So very happy with this, got it, and got it because there really wasn't anything else I liked, but very, very happy that I got it. So yeah, that is my box. So it was overall really great. I love the perfume. I love the backpack. I actually really love this. Very, very happy with the thesis. Really great at getting it at that price. So overall, I thought it was a really great box for me. Sometimes the boxes are really great for certain people. They did have a lot of add-ons and throwbacks. So they had a lot of variety, but it was definitely a mixed bag for someone for spring. It was definitely a lot of different types of products. But for me, I feel like I'm going to definitely get use out of it. I think the only thing that probably wasn't something that I would needed was the necklace, but I'm very happy with it, and I think I'll definitely get some use out of it. But overall, I was really, really happy with this FabFitFun Spring 2026 box. So let me know, what did you get in your Spring 2026 box for FabFitFun, or did you skip it? Did you decide, you know what, I don't really like it? I had someone in spoiler said that they weren't happy with it, so they weren't excited and they were probably going to skip. So let me know in the comments below what you picked. Did you pick what I picked, or did you skip and you're glad you skipped, or did you skip and maybe you regret it? I don't know. So put it in the comments below, and then also feel free to contact me if you are interested in one of those starter boxes. With that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.